Did you know that by age 80, the average person loses half their muscle mass? That's right, 50%. It's a silent thief called sarcopenia, and it's why over 300,000 seniors end up in the hospital every year from falls. But here's the jaw-dropping truth. It doesn't have to happen to you. There's a group of rebel seniors, superagers, who are crushing it, outperforming people half their age. They're hiking mountains, playing sports, and living life on their terms well into their 80s and 90s. So, what's their secret? Stick with me because I'm about to reveal 7 game-changing habits that can rewind your muscle clock. Starting with one you're probably screwing up right now. Hit that subscribe button and let's unlock the fountain of youth together. Most 70-year-olds can't climb stairs without huffing and puffing. Meanwhile, these superagers are deadlifting, dancing, and defying every stereotype about aging. Scientists from Harvard, Mayo Clinic, and beyond have cracked their code, and it's not luck or genetics. It's 7 habits 93% of seniors don't even know exist. Ready to join the strong side? Let's dive into habit number 7. First up, hormetic stressors. Sounds fancy, right? It's just a science-y way of saying what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Superagers shock their bodies with short bursts of stress. Think 30 seconds of icy cold water at the end of a shower or sweating it out in a sauna. Research from the Buck Institute says this fires up your cells, protects your muscles, and even boosts growth. Yes, even in your 80s. A Finnish study found sauna users had 40% less muscle loss over a decade. Then there's intermittent fasting, eating in an 8-hour window. It triggers a cellular cleanup party called autophagy, making your muscles sharper. Add in 5-second max effort pushes against a wall, and bam! Your muscles are screaming, I'm not going anywhere. Start small, but trust me, this is rebel-level aging. Habit 6. Strategic protein timing. Most seniors load up on protein at dinner and call it a day. Big mistake. Your muscles can only use protein for about 3 to 4 hours after eating. A Journal of Nutrition study says spacing out 25 to 30 grams of protein, like eggs at breakfast, fish at lunch, lentils at dinner, boosts muscle building by 25%. Superagers don't skip breakfast protein, and neither should you. One study showed seniors gained over a pound of muscle in 12 weeks just by timing it right. Are you eating protein like a superager, or letting your muscles starve? Habit 5. Vitamin D, the muscle vitamin 80% of seniors are missing out on. Harvard found it flips on genes that build muscle and keep you steady. Superagers with levels above 40 nanograms per milliliter have 25% more strength and better balance. Fewer falls, more freedom, sunlight's great, but by 65, your skin's slacking. Most need 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily, way more than the measly 600 IU doctors push. Pair it with K2 from fermented foods and you're golden. Get your levels tested. This is your strength superpower. Habit 4. Tame the inflammation beast. Chronic inflammation or inflammaging is torching your muscles as you age. Tufts University says high inflammation triples muscle loss. Superagers fight back with 7 to 8 hours of pitch-black sleep, gut-loving fiber from 30-plus plants a week, and omega-3s from fish. A 12-week study slashed inflammation by 29% with berries, turmeric, and olive oil. Test your CRP levels, keep it below 1.0 milligrams per liter, and you're in the superager club. Habit 3. Micronutrient magic. Magnesium, creatine, and B12 are the unsung heroes of strength. Over 70% of seniors lack magnesium. Think greens, nuts, dark chocolate, and it's tanking their grip strength. Creatine's not just for gym bros. McMaster University says 3 to 5 grams daily pumps up muscle and brain power in seniors. Add methylated B12, especially if you're on meds, and you've got a trifecta that keeps muscles humming. Superagers test their levels and supplement smart. Do you know what your body's missing? Habit 2. Supercharge your neuromuscular junctions. The wiring between your brain and muscles. After 60, these connections fade, but superagers keep them firing with moves like Tai Chi or tennis. A 2020 study says coordination games preserve them 31% better than basic workouts. Toss in alpha-lipoic acid, B1 from supplements, and 5 minutes of box breathing daily, and your muscles stay plugged in. Even brain teasers help. Strong mind, strong body, and the grand finale. Habit 1. Progressive resistance training. Tufts calls it the ultimate anti-aging weapon. Superagers don't mess with light weights forever. They push to near failure with squats, presses, and rows, upping the challenge over time. A University of Alabama study saw 70-year-olds gain 3.3 pounds of muscle in 12 weeks, 35% stronger. The biggest mistake? Thinking it's too risky. Wrong. Not doing it is the real danger. Start with a pro, hit 2 sessions a week, and watch your strength explode. There you have it. 7 habits to turn you into a superager. Imagine crushing it in your 80s. Independent, strong, unstoppable. Which habit are you starting today? Drop it in the comments, tell me where you're watching from, and share a story of someone you know defying age. Don't miss out, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, because every week we're dropping science-backed secrets to level up your life. Aging's inevitable, but weakness, that's optional. Let's get strong together. See you in the next one.